Can one fingerprint really replace your house keys? Yale Assure Lock 2-Touch Test. Ever felt like your front door is secretly plotting against you, juggling keys, fumbling in the dark, or second-guessing if you locked it? That frustration is real, and you're not alone. Drop an idea if this sounds familiar, because today we're exploring a solution that flips the script on door locks and gives you control back in the most intuitive way possible. The stress piles up fast when you're rushing out. Keys misplaced, doors left unlocked, or worse, the sudden fear you forgot to secure your home. Burnout doesn't just happen at work, it happens right on your doorstep. Imagine if there was a way to stay protected while making life simpler, not more complicated. Wouldn't that kind of relief be worth it? This is where the Yale Assure Lock 2-Touch Deadbolt steps in like a quiet revolution. Designed for real life, it combines a fingerprint scanner, touchscreen keypad, and Wi-Fi remote access into one sleek lock. The fingerprint unlock is lightning fast, recognizing you in under half a second. The keypad is backlit, so no more squinting at night. For traditionalists, a physical key is still there as backup. Installation? Just a screwdriver, no locksmith needed. One homeowner shared how it took less than 20 minutes to transform their door into a smart entry point. Another mentioned how hands-free auto unlock made walking in with groceries a completely stress-free moment. With the Yale Access app, you can check the status of your door anytime, grant temporary codes to guests, or even get alerts if someone tries to enter. The design is modern, compact, and fingerprint-resistant, keeping it sharp-looking after daily use. Here's one way it saved a busy professional sanity. No more late-night returns to double-check the lock. Keep reading. There's a bonus tip waiting for you. Benefits aren't just features, they're freedom. With the Yale Assure Lock 2-Touch, you're getting more than a lock. You're getting efficiency, focus, and peace of mind bundled into every day. Remote access means you can lock and unlock from anywhere, whether you're at work, on vacation, or halfway through a Netflix binge. Auto lock ensures your home is never left vulnerable, while auto unlock welcomes you hands-free. One expert review noted, the Wi-Fi connectivity works seamlessly with no extra hub needed. An influencer raved, this lock completely changed how I handle guests. Temporary codes are genius. Analysts highlight its smaller, sleeker design compared to older Yale models. And users? Many can't stop talking about the joy of unlocking with just a fingerprint. I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow. So, which feature would save your day? Quick fingerprint entry, hands-free welcome, or remote access? Comment below and join the conversation. The truth is, thousands already rely on it daily, and they're not looking back. See why this smart deadbolt is making so much noise. It's more than convenience. It's a quiet kind of confidence built right into your front door. Why wait to simplify your life when others are already enjoying it? Thousands of homeowners have switched to Yale Assure Lock 2-Touch, and they're not turning back. Each unit brings together convenience, security, and modern design in one sleek upgrade. Don't sit on the fence. Act now and secure yours today. Here's the bonus. Click now and unlock a secret feature inside the app that makes managing your door even easier. Don't just watch. Step in and transform your entryway today.